Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS Tribute car. Gotta love the color on this car. Very, very straight. If you look down the sides here, you'll see. Nice straight car. As I said, it's an SS Tribute, so it's got all the SS goodies on it. And it's even got the good stuff under the hood as well. You've got a 454 engine underneath here, coupled with, you got aluminum radiator with electric fans, as you can see right there. Power steering, power brakes, and also, when you get around to the side here, I'll show you, this car's also been upgraded with four-wheel disc brakes. Get in there and look close, you can see slotted in cross-drilled rotors. The car was built to handle the performance it's got with that big block 454 in there. Again, if you pay attention to the reflections and such in the paint is very, very nice. Obviously, if you go around it, you might find a chip or two or a couple of flaws because this car's been driven, but obviously, the car looks amazing. We'll fire it up here for you in a minute as well so you can hear it. Interior is equally as nice. Bucket seats, center console, and the popular horseshoe shifter. Obviously, the interior's been redone, but you can see bottom of the doors and rockers are very solid. It's got a custom Grant steering wheel. It does have tilt column as well. Column mounted tachometer. Auxiliary gauges down below here. Custom stereo that's been installed. And again, the bucket seats, nice upholstery. Headliner's in good shape as well. Let's see if we'll fire it up here for you. See, it's running nice and smooth. It's got a little bit of a lope to it, but nothing too crazy. We'll take a listen around the back here so you can hear that as well. Again, very nice. Sounds like a muscle car. That's the way it should be. You can see the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered and financing is available as well.